Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing these Bose Bassheads 1 or 2. So I was able to grab them for around 300 rupees during the Prime Day sale. Usually these earphones are sold for around 400 to 500 rupees in Amazon, but the MRP quoted here in the box is 1290 rupees. First, let's keep the earphones aside. So we get a 1-year warranty card, 2 additional pair of earbuds, and their user manual about their other products and stuff. Now coming to the earphones, the design is very simplistic and ergonomic. The initial impression is that it is completely made up of plastic, and the quality of the wire is also quite thin and is very fragile looking. Inside this price bracket, the other vendors provide far better quality with braided cables and wires, which is sturdy. Having said that, they did provide a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is golden plated, which gives better connectivity and source. The end is angular L-shaped, which does help during mobile gaming. But again, the overall build quality is just not good, and also with the recent trend, these earphones lack the magnetic earbuds, unlike some other companies in this price range provide, like the Realme Buds. Having said that, these earphones are extremely comfortable while wearing, and were fitting perfectly made up of plastic. They felt very light and easy on my ears. So coming to the sound quality, they actually sound amazing. The bass is boosted correctly, trebles are also good and quite loud, though the vocals were not very clear, but for the given budget, the sound quality by these earphones are impressive. Also the earbuds are quite soft. For the sound quality they provide, these earphones are definitely much better than the other earphones such as JBL, Realme and MI Basics, which are under the same budget. Also do note that you get a 1-year warranty as well for these earphones. These earphones come in with inline microphone for calls and recordings. They also do come with media control support, where one press pauses the track, double press skips the track to the next. So overall, I would say if you're a sturdy kind of a person and can look past that bad build quality, I would recommend these earphones for the sound quality which it offers for the price which you will be paying. So if your budget is around 400 rupees, do check out these earphones. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a like and do consider subscribing my channel. I'll see you in the next one. So then coming to the sound quality, they actually sound amazing.